How to advertise on booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To enhance your property's visibility on booking.com and attract more travelers, consider using their sponsored ads program. So first, access the sponsored ad platform. To access, log in to your booking.com extranet account and navigate to the Opportunities tab and select Network Sponsored Ads. You will then have to create an account, so tap on Get Started to initiate the account creation process. Enter the required details and sign up. Once signed in, decide a budget for your advertising campaign. You will then be required to place a cost per click bid starting from $0.5. The platform will automatically select the most relevant bid to display among the highest submitted. After setting your budget and bid, create and launch your campaign. Your property will then appear in premium position in search results across Booking.com, Priceline, and Agoda. Make sure to regularly track your campaign's performance through the platform analytics. Adjust your bids and budget as needed to maximize visibility and bookings. By leveraging sponsored ads, you can secure premium placements in search results, connecting with millions of travelers at the exact moment they're ready to book. So, this is how you can advertise on booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.